Hello fam, welcome back to our channel. Yes, Senator Abaribe had actually launched a book, and that has caused a lot of controversy, a lot of reactions, because in that book, especially in the last chapter, he made mention of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He faulted the actions of IPOB and their ideology of secession. In fact, he advised instead of secession, they should reconsider and look towards restructuring. In fact, he further went further. He further explained that the idea of IPOB always calling out and insulting elder statesmen in Igbo land should be stopped. And of course, that book generated a whole lot of reactions. Some were really excited over his statement. Some persons said, "Good morning, Senator Abaribe." Others said, "Thank God he's speaking." Another person said, "How could Senator Abaribe be saying such a thing? Has he forgotten the struggle and the marginalization and all that?" It sparked a lot of reactions. But right now, there is a group that is deciding to take it on one-on-one with Senator Abaribe. It's quite getting very interesting and getting hotter by the day. But before we go into the news proper to find out what it is this group is talking to or saying about the book and about Abaribe as a person, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, a group known as Concerned Abia Professionals has expressed dismay at the vituperation and utter destruction of facts in Senator Abaribe's recently released book titled Made in Aba. What it said was aimed at discrediting the esteemed reputation of one of Abia's illustrious sons, a former governor of Abia, and a chief whip of the Senate, Senator Dr. Orji Kalu. In a communique issued by Dr. Andrew Chukwuma, the group described the Senator Abaribe as an ingrate, recalling how Senator Orji Kalu picked up Senator Abaribe from obscurity and made him a deputy governor. The group in their statement was quoted as saying that Abaribe was languishing in Lagos State and struggling to get tickets to contest for House of Assembly in Abia State. When he ran into Kalu, who as of then was already made and was the frontline candidate for governorship election in Abia, it was when Abaribe ran into Orji Kalu that Abaribe's political fortune changed, as Kalu offered him on a platter of gold the deputy governorship slot without previously knowing who Abaribe was. The group further records the ignoramus role that led to the oyster of Abaribe as the deputy governor. Indeed, Senator Abaribe owes all his political success to Senator Kalu and family, who brought him from obscurity and gave him a political future. The group, which said it is not holding brief for Senator Kalu or family, stated that they are concerned because Orji is one of the biggest lights from the Southeast zone. Therefore, they wouldn't fold their hands and watch his reputation stained, especially since they were privy to what led to the fall of Abaribe as deputy governor of Abia State. Finally, the group enjoined Abians and indeed Nigerians to jettison the masked attempt to tarnish the image of Senator Kalu. The group accused the author of mainly chasing shadows, as they're accusing Senator Abaribe of chasing shadows. Also to go, hey, brother to brother. What is all this? It's just a book. But let's continue. Let's quickly find out what Nigerians are saying concerning this, because of course Nigerians will always react concerning particularly those of Southeastern extract. This one here is saying a hired and a paid group of sycophants writing about a known thief and a saboteur. Orji Kalu is like a Hope Uzodinma, the worst thing that has happened to the Igbo race. Hope EFCC will once again do a diligent job in the courts. A diabolic son and the mother that took Abia State to this hard to redeem state. It is well with the righteous. So this one here is saying you are very, very wonderful. I don't want to say the words are really terrible. He said the only Igbo man who have who have many millionaires than any other, or must every Igbo man be IPOB before he be exempted? Okay, this one is actually calling on another person. This one here is saying, medicine after death. We Abians know who be who. Abi, tell us, my brother. This one here say, professional group that is not existing, that is defending a non-professional. If any Naya was not qualified, could he have been picked? Hungry, okay. Let's go away with this. The words are really terrible. This one here is a one writes his biography and a group of ill-informed are writing rubbish against him. This is why the country can't move forward. Orji is the most corrupt person in Nigeria. Did you know that? This is the most corrupt politician in Abia State, okay? Hence, the state has not moved forward. Some persons say that's the reason why he was actually jailed, because of the money he stole. Let's just don't go there. This one here is saying, you don't want his reputation stained. Orji stained his own reputation when he stole our money. It will be unfair to suggest that Abaribe stained Orji reputation in his book. A lot of persons are calling out the group. Nobody's actually in support of what the group has to say. But it's not for you viewers, wonderful people. What's your take on this? Because it's getting really interesting. Senator Abaribe only mentioned in brief how he's attained his political career, and we all know in secret, it's an open secret, that you don't go into political arena in Nigeria without holding on to something. You have to hold something now. And so that tomorrow you not come and begin to open the dirty deals you've had. Either whichever you believe, it is Shango, it is Oshao, it is God of Thunder for the Ndibos, if it is Amadioha, if it is even God, Jesus, if a born again Christian, you want to use the prophet, whatever it is that you fear and dread, is what they will tell you to go and use to swear. It's almost normal. People these days don't even go by physical alone, because they believe that the physical can be controlled and manipulated, but the realm of the spirit is always controlled. The realm of the spirit controls the physical, so hence they go from the realm of the spirit to control the destiny, so that you don't give out or divulge information that is done secretly. I guess that's why Nigeria is where it is today. So yes, if Orji said they did this or did that, well, all well and good. I could still remember when I think sometime in 2019, where there was a leak. One of these guys leaked out an agreement signed, spiritual agreement signed, still on the same Abia state, where people were saying that the Abia needs special prayer and all that. They said obviously that in the spirit, in the realm of the spirit, Abia is on the stage. But I believe that there's nothing prayer cannot do. But going about calling out Senator Abaribe, saying stating his name before now, Orji Orji Senate whip, was actually brought out of prison, if you guys can remember, because they had a case of corruption case that took him to prison, and somehow the case was revisited and all that, and he was let loose. So it didn't start from the book, okay? But let's put in our comment section, what's your take? Do you honestly think that Senator Abaribe is deliberately staining the reputation of Orji, or just saying what had happened and he just want Nigerians to know?